So, last video, I said that I would show you guys how I got my keyboard. So this is how I got it. So if you press start and it'll get you to don't mind those. 1 second. So you see you have that husky, the bubbles, that C1 with the space background, the one with me wearing a Chewy mask with the wine thing. Well, and then there's the Minecraft one, and that's one that I took with a picture. And I want to show you how I make one. So I press, yeah. And there is tons of stuff over in here. As you can see, there are a lot of background. I am going to choose the flaming basketball. See? Looks pretty cool. And also, you can choose to not have a background for them, or can have a background for them. I'm going to look if there's a basketball one. If not, well, there isn't. I'm just gonna do that so we can see it better. Now, look, so many features in here. I'll show you when this keyboard is done, because I cannot use them when I'm making a keyboard. So now I'm gonna go into fonts. And also, if you're wondering which app this is, the app is Facemoji. So I chose my font, then I'm gonna choose my color, orange. Wait, dang it, orange. Wait, no, not orange. Teal, that's easier to see. And now I can go into effects, and then as you can see, there are all of these. I'm going to choose the fire one because, well, look at the basketball. It's flaming, right? And count, so that it is just added in. So now I am going to do as you can see, there are all of these fonts. If I go back, cool fonts off, look at these. And now, as you can see, those ones at the top, the first one just makes you choose any of them. So I turned on autocorrect and key sounds, no key sounds for me. I want to turn on theme. Well, you can just change the theme. And now I am going to choose this one. Dang it. I am going to choose this one. Green. Wait, no. Cyan. Well, that just looks cool, doesn't it? So now, as you can see, and please ignore the ones with my face on it. Well, just try not to look at them, okay? Well, don't look at them, actually. So, what you need to do, just look. Wait, when did I choose that? There we go. Oh, yeah, I'm definitely never using that, because as you can hear, I am a boy. So, when I choose one of these, I'm going to choose maybe this bubble one. Yeah, this bubble one. Perfect. Goes perfectly with the background. No. Actually, I'm going to stick with the teal one. Fonts, teal. Teal color. Dark green color. I'm just kidding. Purple. There we go. Now I am going to choose this font. that font for normal. Then I go into effects. And if you didn't like that one, you might like this one. And as you can see, there are a lot of things. So if I'm going to choose one, maybe, yes, this is perfect. Now, as you can see, and also I like this keyboard. There. Then I can, bam, send it to anyone. And I'm going to fonts. I can only do some of them because I don't want to do premium. And as you can see, look. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Moose. Also, I have the Steve and Creeper one, the Squid Game one. And, well, look. And also, I can, let's see if it's no textures. There we go. I can just have a lot of stuff. AI chat. And also I have done the dream decoder. And then settings. I've definitely been in settings to try and do something on it. So yeah, this is pretty much everything. So